for the second time in the hard level. So you say how do your experience?
It was wonderful the first time when I visited in February. Of course, I just started visiting again, so I can't say much. But already, from what I can see, the people here at Kokrajhar Government College, soon to be university, they're very kind, very caring. In fact, 6 of Kokrajhar College's best professors visited me at the circuit house last night, and we had a wonderful discussion. So, I would like to say thank you to everybody at Bodoland University, where I visited last time, and Kokrajhar Government College, which will become Kokrajhar University soon, which I'm visiting this time. So it's been a wonderful experience.
You are assist to little, but you are so talented. Any
Something-
message
excuse me, something
for the
wrong.
youths like you?
Give it to me, please.
I would say that for other people who are children, it's not necessary to teach so much at a small age. But if you really want to, all you really need to do is first you have to get lucky. You have to have a good environment, good parents, lots of resources and textbooks to read. But also you have to put in the hard work yourself. So really, I am unimaginably lucky, but I've also put in so much work, so I can say it's not very easy.
What is your aim in your life?
My aim is to educate as many people as possible in math and science because I think it's a wonderful thing that more people need to know about and appreciate the same way as they appreciate other subjects.
So you are interested in the students. How you are how you are
There is interaction with the so what is your feeling?
You are going to interact with the student today in this
yes,
college.
yes.
So what will be the topic?
So hopefully it will mostly be about math and physics because those are the two topics that I have expertise in most. And usually when they're about questions that we didn't ask for, topics that we didn't ask for example, psychology, then we just skip them and move to the next one. Some of these questions are very, very interesting, and some of these questions take lots of time to understand. And I think asking questions is very important because that's how you challenge others and learn yourself in life. So I'm very much looking forward to the question and answer session.
Thank you.